Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate Easter eggs step by step. Melt chocolate slowly over a double boiler, stirring until smooth, then temper it for shine and snap. Spoon tempered chocolate into egg molds, tap to remove air bubbles, and chill until firm. Repeat for 2 layers for thicker shells. Carefully warm mold edges briefly to release shells, then join halves with a warm rim and press together to seal. Gather high-quality chocolate, silicone egg molds, a thermometer, a double boiler or heat-proof bowl, a spatula, and a refrigerator or freezer. Use couverture or compound chocolate depending on experience and time. Weigh ingredients precisely when adding fillings like ganache or caramel. Prepare a clean surface and soft towels to handle molds. Sanitize hands and tools to avoid water-contaminating chocolate, which causes seizing and dull finish. Keep small bowls ready for color pastes or edible decorations. Make fillings like ganache or flavored chocolate by heating cream and pouring over chopped chocolate, then chilling until spreadable. Pipe or spoon fillings into half shells, leaving a small rim for sealing. Warm the edges of empty halves slightly to melt the rim, then press a filled half onto its partner to seal. Chill finished eggs to set the seam fully, then gently polish or wrap for gifting. Store in a cool place away from sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.